Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host, Jay, and today, first I want to say, what's up everybody? What's up to the new subscribers? Welcome to the channel. I hope you're ready to get this crypto money, and everybody who's been to the channel, welcome back. You know, I had to take a couple days off because I was getting a little burnt out. I had to take myself a little vacation. Actually, I wasn't getting a little burnt out. I was actually having a little celebration because, you know, right now your boy is currently self-employed and I don't have to worry about nobody telling me what time I gotta wake up, what time I gotta do things, and I want everybody to get to this point as well. So welcome. Also, as you guys know, when I hit certain milestones on this channel, we reach 1,500 subscribers. I like to do giveaways and stuff like that. So when I hit my next goal on this channel, I'll have a little small giveaway for the people and let you guys know how that's gonna go. Also, if you are not in the Telegram group, go ahead and get in there right now. I'm actually developing something super sick for the group, so I'm actually pushing it off a little bit longer, just like a crypto project. But yeah, so today I want to talk about the market, because the market like sucks right now. Everything's like dying, everything's going down, and a lot of people are just wondering like, what the hell, when's the blood gonna stop? And for me, I'm just thinking like, man, I don't know if it's gonna stop anytime soon. Now, I've been telling you guys on this channel, like, limit your altcoin exposure, because Bitcoin was making some moves, the altcoin dominance was making some moves, and I was like, man, it's not looking good to be a holder right now in some of the altcoins. So I want to show you something that I sent to the Telegram group earlier today, which is this. Let me get to it real quick. Which is this picture right here. That gives you a this shows you right here. It's kind of blurry, but you can see a lot of the coins that popped off in the DeFi boom are down. Curve 92%, Sushi Swap 91%, BZX 90%, Swerve 88%, AKRO 78%. That was one that I actually held for a lot of that. I probably lost about 50% on AKRO going up, but I'm still looking at maybe getting an entry when the market starts to turn around. Bancore 70%. So you can get the point. Band 60%, Yearn Finance 60%, Compound 55%. Now it's going to take you a lot more to get back up to these numbers. You're going to have to, like, you know, 2x, 3x, 4x now, and which kind of sucks, because look at, like, Curve 70 cents and it was up to $10. Like, so this is the reason why I'd be like, hey, limit your altcoin exposure, expect some volatility, don't fall in love with these coins, you know, because although these are wonderful projects, a lot of them are. Augur is great, Numera Compound, like, all these are good projects, but the market is not working to your advantage right now. So you have to know when to jump out, and if you were to jump back in, you can buy a ton much more coins. So looking at Bitcoin right now, this is my TA of Bitcoin right here, and let me explain this to you real quick. So I got this triangle going down. Now these triangles right here typically break to the downside, so I hate to say that, but also I showed you guys on the weekly chart, Bitcoin can definitely retest probably down to like 8,800 in my opinion, and still be bullish. You know, like, please Bitcoin, do your retest so we can get this rocket on and popping. Right now we've been in this range for a minute. It's been kind of boring. This is a 4-hour chart, but these red lines right here is where we have a lot of trading going on, like, you know, resistance and support. So the first support level, if we break out of this triangle, so first there's this triangle right here. So the bottom of this triangle is about, I would say, about 10.5. So about 10,500 is like, we don't want to see Bitcoin go below that, and it seems to be bouncing on that level quite well. And then there's resistance right here at 10,640. So you know, if it goes above this, so these are the targets that I have. If it pops above this line, we're looking at, bam, depending on where we're looking at around 12,500, and if it goes down, we're looking at about 88.92. And if it takes longer to go down, then we're looking at right about this line that I have right here, which is the $9,000 Bitcoin level. So are we gonna get back there? In my opinion, I think so, because I feel like if we pull up the fear and greed index, now this is not financial advice, don't base any of your investment decisions on me, but I'm leaning towards a bearish short term, which would be a bullish long term in my opinion. And one of the reasons being, right now we're in about the neutral area as far as fear goes. And I think in the market psychology chart right now, if we're in this disbelief area, there has to be that one final like crash to kind of get some weak hands and get this thing down to like at least the red over here in the 30s or something, like back down to the 40s where it was. Let me see. Yeah, in the 40s where it was in the beginning of September. If we go to the yearly, okay, where we got some resistance at, down here at the 37. So I still think there's a bunch of optimism in the market right now, and a lot of optimism usually means losing money. Going to the Bitcoin dominance chart, you can see that it's just been pumping ever since September 12th. This chart has been pumping, and this is why altcoins have been getting stomped on. So if you've been holding your altcoins, they've been getting stomped on. I've been slowly like just liquidating some of the coins that I had as they hit stop losses. I got stop losses even on Uniswap coins that I have. I'm like, yo, I bought this coin at $5. I'm gonna give it a chance at like $4.95, and if it goes below that, I'm out. If it went all the way up to like $20, then I'm just like, hey, at $10 I'm taking my profit, and I don't have to worry about that. If it goes back up after that, then I can buy back in. But this just goes to show you that like you can't really fall in love with these coins and hold them forever. And so what's next? Everybody's like, what's next to pop off? Then I wanted to show you guys the DOS chart. Hold on, let me show you the DOS chart. So DOS has been getting beat up ever since the highs in April. So it's been getting beat up ever since, and it's pretty tore down. If it drops below this, what I have right here, 5 cents, then I'm out of all DOS until I see where this price is gonna bottom at. Right now, this chart just doesn't look like there's any bullishness on here whatsoever. Pulling up some more indicators. Let's go with the RSI, see if we're oversold. So we've gotten oversold a couple times. Let me actually adjust it to my settings. Put an 80 and a 20 on the RSI, and then I want to be able to see this line better. So I'm going to make it blue. Oh, wait. Put that back, and then I'm going to make this line blue. All right, so we bounced off a couple times off the 20. Whoops. Bounced off the 20 a couple times on the RSI, which, I mean, it's still a downtrend over here on the RSI as well. So until DOS like releases whatever they're going to release and come out with whatever news, I can't expect it to get any better or have any pumps until the whole market pumps. So as you guys can see, like, my bearish outlook is pretty bullish, because as you guys know, when you got coins that you like and they're down 25%, it might be time to take a bite. But if you're a new trader, then you can wait. Like, for example, if you're gonna buy DOS, wait until the price gets up here. Like, I know it's like, I'm gonna miss out on, doubling, but if the price breaks above this triangle, then your price target is high. Like, you know what I mean? If the price target breaks above 10 cents, then you're looking at going to 20, 21 cents easily, and then you're looking at going to 30 cents. So it's like, be patient, be on the long term. have money waiting on the sideline like me, I got a bunch of stable coins and I'm waiting because I got stopped out of a lot of coins. You know, I didn't want to lose a lot of money, so I got stopped out of a lot of coins. Only coins that I was farming, then it was a little bit harder. But the other night, you know, ETH fees were pretty low, like the lowest I've seen them in a long time, and I was able to move a bunch of money around. And so that's cool. I think a lot of people are moving a bunch of money around in the market right now. So just stay tuned. And since everybody's getting bearish, the more and more bearish everybody gets, then that is, I'm getting more bullish. So I'm hoping everybody gets more and more bearish. Does that make sense? I'm like weird. Nah, like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm just having a good day. I hope you guys are having a good day too. Yeah, let me know what coins you guys want me to look at. I'm not really buying altcoins yet. I'm gonna wait and see how the daily close goes. I'm gonna wait and see how tomorrow goes. We'll see. We'll see how we get through this week. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to bounce off of the support, and if you don't know what support that is, I'm gonna go to the weekly chart and pull this up real quick. Draw this trend line here. I think it was here, something like that. So waiting for Bitcoin to bounce off of this guy. So right now that number is 9,600, and as we get further away from it, it just goes lower and lower. So waiting for Bitcoin to bounce off 9,500, and then at that point, if I still see it keep going that way, I'm like, ooh. Y'all know what that means. Till next time. Peace.